in our last lecture. Exercise 4.3, question number 1. Solve the following equation. 2y plus 5 upon 2 is equal to 37 upon 2. Transposing this plus 5 upon 2 we were taking towards right side, if you do remember. આ સોલ્વ થઈ ગયો છે ગર્લ્સ? ઓકે, બધાનો શુકર, જવાબ તો આવ્યો. Question number 2 here. What we did? This I think so we did. Not done? Okay, no problem. Chalo. First sum. First sum is what? 2 into x plus 4 is equal to 12. 2 into x plus 4 is equal to 12. Now, can we say that this 2 is for x and 4 both? આ x માટે છે ને આ 2 4 માટે છે? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Only one girl is replying me. What about other girls? This 2 is for both 2 into x as well as plus 2 into 4. So we will keep this 2 into x. 2x plus as it is 2 4s are 8 is equal to 12. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
Sure? Sure?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now what we have to do here, we have to find the value of x. Are you getting? So 2x as it is equal to 12 as it is. This plus 8 to be shifted towards right side, so it will be converted to minus 8. Yes or no?
Yes.
So we will get 2x, 12 minus 8 is 4. Now 2x is there. We have to find the value of x. X is equal to 4 as it is. This 2 is in multiplying, so it will go towards division form. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So what is the value of x we got?
X is equal to 2.
Is equal
X
to
is equal to 2.
2. Any doubt with this, girls?
Sir.
All of you, I'm talking to all the girls.
Sir. No, sir.
Okay. Chalo, second question. I'm solving this second one. Sum number B. 3 into n minus 5 is equal to 21. So this 3 is for both. So 3 into n is 3n. Minus as it is 3 5s are 15. Any doubt here? Is equal to as it is 21.
No.
આ સમજ પડી શું કર્યું સરે? This n minus 5 in bracket is multiplied with 3 is equal to as it is 3n we have to find is equal to 21 minus 15 went towards the right side, so it converted to plus 15 is equal to 3n 21 plus 15, so it is 36. समझ पड़े छे girls what I'm doing?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Pakku?
Sir.
Any doubt here? Now again we have to find the value of n. Okay, value of n we have to find. So n is equal to 36 upon 3.
3.
Is that all clear, girls?
Yes, sir.
समझायु? So now this 3 was in multiplying, so we take this towards right side. We took this to a right side, so it is in division form. 3 ones are 3, 3 12s are 36. So in the last part, we can say that n is equal to 12 is the answer. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
Now check out, do you find any difficult one? That sum I will solve for you.
Sir, number D.
Number D. Okay. I'll solve number D for you. Chalo. Number D is minus 4 into 2 plus x is equal to 8. So first step is equal to minus 4 into 2 minus 8. 4 2s are 8 plus minus minus. Okay, plus minus minus 4 into x, 4x is equal to 8 as a total. Anybody has any doubt here?
Sir.
Sorry?
No, sir.
Okay. So now minus 8 will be at a side, minus 4x will be as it is, 8 will be as it is, and this minus 8 shifted towards right side, so it will be converted to plus 8. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
Now, minus 4x as it is equal to 16. We have to find the value of x. So 16 upon minus 4. Is that clear here?
Sir.
આ સમજ પડે છે શું કર્યું? minus 4 shifted towards 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16. So what is the value of x? Plus minus minus. So value of x we got as
Minus 4.
minus 4. Understood?
Yes, sir.
समझाયું કે नहीं girls?
समझाई गई.
Chalo. Anybody else who is having doubt for any other sum? First, I multiplied 4 into 2. 4 2s are 8, plus minus minus. Now 4 into x, 4x, plus minus, again plus minus minus. So this we got minus 8 minus 4x is equal to 8 as it is. Now minus 4x we have to find, x we have to find, that means minus 4x has to be separated. So that is at a side is equal to 8 as it is. This minus 8 shifted towards right side, so it is converted to plus 8. Now minus 4x is equal to 8 plus 8, 16. We have to again find only the value of x. So x at a side 16, this minus 4 was in multiplying form, so we converted that into division form. So 16 upon 4 we got x is equal to minus 4. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Chalo, question number 3, first sum. Same method, same thing, only left hand side and right hand side is different. First sum I'm solving, then you check out which one is difficult for you. Four will be as it is. આમાં શું થશે? 4 will be as it is. આમાં right hand side solve કરવાનું છે. Is equal to as it is, this 5 is for both, 5 into 5p. minus 5 2s are 10. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
Okay. So now what we have to do, 5p should be separated here, is equal to as it is, 4 as it is. This minus 10 has to shift beside 4, so it will be converted to plus 10. Any doubt here? समझाई છે કે નહીં?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So 5p is equal to 14. 5p is equal to 14. Now we have to find the value of p. So p is equal to 14 as it is upon 5. What is the value of p you got? 14 upon 5. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
ચલો એમાંથી હાર્ડ લાગતો સમ કયો ચલો જલ્દી.
Number E.
Number E. Okay, chalo. We will solve number E. ખાલી કન્ફ્યુઝ કરવા માટે આપેલું છે. ઓકે,
Yes, sir.
તો 16 plus 4 પહેલેથી 16 plus 4 પહેલેથી થાય નહીં. What we have to do here is 0 as it is equal to as it is. This 16 will be as it is. This 4 is multiplied with m also and 6 also. So plus as it is, 4 into m, 4m, plus minus minus, 6 4s are 24. Any doubt with the first step?
No, sir.
No.
Okay. So again, 0 as it is equal to, now plus 16 and minus 24. Can you see here? A plus 16 છે and minus 24. So 24 minus 16 કેટલા થશે? કેટલા થશે? 8
8.
થશે ને? Now
Yes,
which one is greater number, 16 or 24?
24.
So 24 is what, negative or positive?
Negative.
Negative.
So that will be negative, minus 8. Now 4m has to be separated, is equal to 0 as it is, which is on the left hand side, right? This minus 8 to be shifted beside 0, so it will convert to plus 8. Okay?
Yes,
So
sir.
4m is equal to 8. Now we have to find the value of what? Value of m. So value of m is what? 8 divided by 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So m ની value શું આવી?
M is equal to 2.
Very good. M is equal to 2. Is that all clear, girls? What we did?
Yes.
Chalo. Next question. Question number 4. Construct 3 equations. કોઈ પણ equations બનાવવાના છે. X is equal to 2 સાથે લઈને. Can I say 10 is multiplied on both the side? X is equal to 2. 10 is multiplied on both the sides. So it will be 10x is equal to 2 into 10, 20. This is the first equation I formed. Any 3 equations we have to give. 10x plus 7 is equal to 20 plus 7, 27. This is the second equation. This in example I taught you this. In example I taught you this. ધ્યાન છે કે નથી?
Yes, sir.
This will be your homework. You have to construct 3 equations whose value you can get x is equal to 2. If you want, you can have a screenshot for this for support, but you have to do it by your own. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Please have a screenshot for this if you want. See, 3 examples they are given. 5x is equal to 10. 5x minus 3 is equal to 7. Have you got that?
Yes, sir.
Chalo. I'm sorry, girls, by mistake I left the meeting. Hello?
Yes,
Are
sir.
you all getting my voice?
Sir.
Chalo, we are in exercise 4.4, question number 1. Who is going to read this?
Can I Mahodesa Rajani?
Yes, Miss Rajani Mahodesa.
Sir, present. Sir, your screen is not presented.
Yes, wait. I'm presenting. By mistake, I left the meeting. Is my screen presented to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Exercise 4.4, question number 1. Set up equation and solve them to find the unknown numbers in the following cases. Number A. Add 4 to 8 times and number you get 60. Number B.
Wait.
1/5 of a number.
Wait. Let us solve the first equation. Set up an equation and solve them to find unknown numbers in the following cases. So what we have to do here, we have to find first we have to solve the equation. First we have to set up an equation, then we have to solve the equations, okay? So first is what they are trying to make us learn. First, please read Modesa. Add 4 to 8 times a number. 8 times a number means a number is unknown number.
Yes, sir.
So add 4. Let's suppose unknown number be x. Add 4 to 8 times. That means 8 times a number means 8x plus 4 to be added. So we get 60. So this is the first equation which is formed.
Yes, sir.
समझाई છે કે નહીં? Check here. Add 4 to be added. 8 times a number means 8 times a number, 8x. You get 60 means is equal to 60. Now we have to solve that to get the unknown number. Solve means what? Unknown number is x. So we have to solve that. 8x as it is equal to 60 as it is. This plus 4 shifted towards right side. So it will be minus 4. So 8x, 60 minus 4 is what? 56. Now we have to find the value of x. So 56 divide by 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 sevens are 56. So what is the value of x we got?
7.
7. Understood the first, how we have to solve and how we have to set up the equation? See,
Yes, sir.
let's suppose a number be x. 8 times a number is 8x. So 8x plus 4 which gives us 60. Now 8x is equal to 60 minus 4. 8x is equal to 56. Now આ કઈ મેથડ કરેલી છે? using the value on both the side. But આપણે કઈ મેથડ કરી છે અહીંયા? આપણે કઈ મેથડ કરી છે? Which method we used? Girls?
Yes, sir.
Which method we used? Yes, sir.
Transposing method.
Yes. Have you cleared with this how to set up an equation and how to solve this?
Yes, sir.
Chalo, second. હું equation set કરી દઉં છું બધામાં. Your homework is to solve the equations, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So first માં શું હતું? See, equation set કરું છું but step લખવાના છે. Let's suppose a number be x and then 8 into x is 8x. Are you getting?
Yes,
Any
sir.
વગર step વગર નહીં ચલાવું. Girls. Now this was the first equation what you got. Second is what? Second is 1/5 of a number minus 4 gives us. So 1/5 of a number is, let's suppose a number be x. So x upon 5 minus 4, which gives us 3. That means 1/5 of a number minus 4 gives 3. So x upon 5 minus 4 gives us 3. Is that clear for the second one?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Chalo, third one. Third one read karse.
Can I model?
Reading, Fatima.
Sir, can I say it, Sama?
Yes. Ball.
If I take 3/4 of a number and add 3 to it, I get 21.
If I take 3/4 of a number is x. X no 3/4 means 3x upon 4. Then add 3 to it. That means 3 is added to it. Then I get 21. My result is 21. Understood?
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Chalo, then question number D. Question number D, please.
Yes, sir.
Read karo.
Sir. When I subtract 11 from twice a number, the result was 15.
When I subtracted 11 subtract કર્યા છે કેમાંથી? Twice a number. Let's suppose a number be a. So twice a number means 2a minus 11, you get 15. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Chalo, next.
No.
Fatafat.
Mona
Question
subtract
number D.
thrice the number of notebooks he has from 50. He find the result to be 8.
So Munna subtracts thrice the number of notebooks. We don't know the number of notebooks. So total was 50. He has 50. 50 mati thrice a number means thrice a number. For example, 3a. A is unknown. So 3a, we get the result as 8. Samajh padi ke nahi? Munna subtracts thrice a number of notebooks. he has from 50 એટલે total 50 એની પાસે છે 50 માંથી 3 thrice the number of notebooks he has deducted, so result was 8. Have you all understood this?
Yes, sir.
Chalo, next. Ibanal.
Ibehan thinks of a number. If she adds 19 to it and divides the sum by 5, she will get 8.
Ibnehal thinks a number be A, B, C, D, કોઈ પણ હોઈ શકે. If she adds 19 to it, એટલે 19 એડ કરે છે ઈ, બરાબર? And divide the sum. આ બંનેના સમ ને ડિવાઈડ કોની સાથે કરે છે? 5 સાથે કરે છે. એને શું મળે છે? 8. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Again I am repeating, A ની નીચે 5 નથી, 19 ની નીચે 5 નથી, ઈ બેના સમ ની સાથે 5 ડિવાઈડ થાય છે. જો તમે Ibanal think a number that let's suppose a number be A. If she adds 19 to it, that means number A સાથે 19 ને add કરો, then we have to divide the sum by 5. આનો આખો જે sum આવે, if it is 10 plus 19, 29, so 29 has to be divided by 5. Are you getting my point? समझ पड़े छे? So you will
Yes.
get number 8 as your answer. So this is what the equation is said. Hello, last.
Anwar thinks of a number. If he takes away 7 from 5 by 2 of the number, the result is 23.
Anwar thinks a number. We don't know what is the number. If we take away 7 from 5 upon 2 of a number, 5 upon 2 upon number, that means let's suppose a number be A. So 5 upon 2 of a number is what? 5A upon 2 minus 7. The result will be 23. Any doubt here, girls?
No.
Anwar thinks a number. Let's suppose a number be A. If he takes away 7 from, 7 minus करवाना है, केमाथी? तो कि 5 upon 2 of a number. That means 5A upon 2 minus 7. The result is 23. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So now this all equations you have to write step by step to form an equation. After forming all the equations, we have to solve the equation. Solve करता तो सिखड़ाયું ने सर हमणा. For
Yes,
example, if we are taking the same 5A upon 2 minus 7 is equal to 23. So we have to solve that sum. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Let us solve this. The last sum. 5A upon 2 minus 7 is equal to 23. So how to solve this? By transposing method. So we have to find 5A, right? Upon 2 as it is equal to 23 as it is. This minus 7 shifted towards right side. So it will convert to plus 7. Any doubt here, girls? Is equal to 5A upon 2. 23 plus 7 is 30. Now we have to find the value of A. So this 2 is in division form, so it will go towards multiplying, right? Beside 30. And 5 is in multiplying, so it will come towards dividing. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
5 ones are 5, 5 6 are 30. So any value શું આવી 6 2s are?
12.
Any doubt here how to solve this?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So your question number 1 from exercise 4.4 is over. Question number 2. Chalo. Now the problems are given, we have to solve that sums. Do one thing, from question number 2, question 2, 3, 4. Only 3 questions left from this chapter. We are going to do this in our next lecture. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
All right. Total questions will be over. This is the last exercise of FA2 portion. Right? So last 3 sums we will do in our next lecture. Then we will start in the following next lecture. We must be starting with our new lecture. New chapter. Okay, girls?
Okay, sir.
Chalo, do take care of yourself. Take care of your health very well. Enjoy your next lecture. Have a nice time, girls.
Bye, sir. Have a nice
Please be prepared with your fair book. Once you will be in the class, you will be asked for the fair books. Okay, girls?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
And
sir.
do all the sums one time in your rough book as well, girls. Have a nice time. Bye-bye.
Nice day. Which lecture?